Grab your controller and your piping bags and let's decorate Mario cookies. Hi, I'm Leslie with Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and if you love decorating sugar cookies or you want to learn how, you're in the right place. Let's decorate together. I'm going to be honest with you, at the time of decorating these, they fell short of my expectations, but I'm going to show you how I decorated them anyway. Let's go! All of the supplies are listed in the description, and I started by hand cutting the cookies. You can get directions on how to do that. It's linked in the description also. And then I'm using a 15-second royal icing in white to fill in the eyes and the circle in the hat. And then I'll be using my scribe, or you could use a toothpick to shape the icing and settle it down. And I kind of went over where the nose is here, so I'm just going to kind of scrape that away. And I also went over the hat, so I'm going to scrape that part away too. I was getting really tired when I was making these cookies, and I should have just stopped for the day. I was completely done, and I was rushing things, and this is what happens. Anyway, while we wait for the white icing to crust over, I'm going to go ahead and pipe in the hair. My brown royal icing is also about a 15-second consistency, and I went up into the hat, so I'm brushing that away as well. And once I finished fixing my mistake, I set these cookies aside to dry. I put them in front of a fan. If you have a dehydrator, that would also work. And now I'm coming back and filling in the top of the hat with my red royal icing, also in if you said 15-second consistency, you're correct. See, you're beating this level already. But in order to move ahead to the next level, we need to use our scribe or our toothpick to shape this hat and settle the icing down and get it nice and smooth. And once the hat's all smoothed out, you can move on down to the nose and use a 15-second icing in a skin color to fill in a big nose. This is just a placeholder. We're going to overpipe this later. And we can also pipe in the ears at this time, and you're going to want to use your scribe to settle that icing down, just like with everything else. Set that aside to dry until it crusts over, and then come back in and pipe in the brim of his hat. And you guessed it, use your scribe again to settle that down. Make sure the icing gets all the way down to the cookie so you don't get a crater when it dries. And then set Mario aside to dry until the icing crusts over, and then you can come back in with your flesh tone icing and fill in the rest of his face. He's going to look kind of evil at this point, or kind of creepy looking, but just go ahead and fill him in, and then use your scribe to settle that icing down once again. You just need to trust the process, and it will all come together in the end. I know using your scribe is tedious, but it's such an important part of cookie decorating, and you really shouldn't skip it. Set Mario aside to dry again until the icing crusts over, and then I'm using my projector to line up where the mustache goes. It's such an iconic part of Mario, I want to make sure to get it right. So I'm going to outline and flood that in using my brown royal icing in my 15-second consistency. When using a projector, you kind of need to angle your hand at a weird little angle to keep it out of the way. And I'm actually working upside down here, but I turned the video around so you could see it. Then I turned my projector off so I could better see what I'm doing, and I'm just going to flood this mustache in and use my scribe to settle the icing down. I set Mario back aside to dry until the icing crusts over, and now I'm going to overpipe the nose. I want him to have a nice big nose that slightly goes over the eyes and over the mustache just a little. Use my scribe to get his nose nice and smooth, and then I'm going to move up to the hat and do the same thing and overpipe the brim of the hat. Fill that in and use my scribe to settle it down. And be gentle when you're using your scribe to settle this down so that you don't crack the icing underneath, but if you poke a couple holes, it's okay. And then I set this cookie aside to dry completely. For me, it took about 24 hours before I came back in with my projector once again to trace the M onto his hat using a red edible marker. I'll leave a link to all the products I use in the description. This edible marker is by Tweets, and it dries super fast. That's one of the reasons I like it. And this one is by Rainbow Dust, and it has a nice fat tip on one end and a skinny tip on the other. And then I'm using my paintbrush. It's a 10-0 detail paintbrush to paint in black around the outside of the eyes and to fill in the pupils. I'm doing that because my marker is too fat, and it would have gotten black edible marker on places I didn't want it to. And then I'll just paint in the little line for his mouth at the bottom, and then use a white edible paint to make a highlight. And our Mario is almost done. All that's left is to pipe in the eyebrows. Using my brown royal icing, I'm just going to put a couple of lines and then use my scribe to settle them down. And we did it. Achievement unlocked. And if you like this cookie, you might also like my Mario Kart cookie tutorial. I'll leave a link for that in the description. And be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of the other video game Nintendo tutorials. Game over? Never. I'll see you in the next video.